Okay, so this video is on eyelashes. I hate these things. I freaking hate these things. Ugh. Okay, this is the crap I have to go through on like the first few dates that I go out with someone. This stuff feels like it's clawing out my freaking eyeballs. That's how it feels like. It's like if you were a dude, this is how you would be with these things because that's how it feels like. This feels better. This feels like torture right now. So anyway, why do you do it? Because you want to look pretty. So technically on a first date, women are not thinking about your thing down there. At least I'm not. I'm thinking about how can I get this thing out of my face? Like, is it over yet? I'm just kidding. If I'm actually having a good time, I forget about the pain. I'm being real though. I wish that was a joke. Anyways, yeah, so the pain. The freaking pain. Anyways, no, so like these are glue. You can see right now it's coming off because I want to get it off. So it actually feels kind of good. Anyway, so I'm gonna take these off because I technically got now magnetic ones. And I'm going to put the magnet ones and I'm going to give reviews on the magnet ones because to these guys because this sucks. It really is horrible. It's torture, it's pain, and I don't know who made these things. Whoever made the idea of having these things, like, I just want to go back in time and be like, yo girl, that's a bad idea. Because then I have to compete with you. That's a bad idea, okay? This is just me ranting, so just ignore this part. Okay, so this is what I got on Amazon. I will provide the link down below. Below on this video, it should be like the info and then you'll have it there. But yeah. So these are magnetic eyelashes. They come with their little magnetic liquid. And I assume these are the applicator, I don't know, whatever. I'm going to read the instructions because I haven't read anything. Okay, so from what I read real quick on the instructions, you don't have to clean your eyelid. You can just apply the liquid on and just put it on. So let's try that and see how it works. Alright, so let's take some eyelashes out. These torturing devices out. Oh my god, that feels amazing. That feels amazing. You know, it'd be weird if some guy on the first date, it would be weird and it would be like, it'd be cool, it'd be amazing, and it'd be like as good as an orgasm, but weird at the same time. Like, I don't know how to react to that. Like, I don't know if to say thank you or like, to like be like, what the fuck? But like, if a guy on the first date actually took my eyelash out, be like, here, let me help you out, and he just did this, and be like, you look better without them, I would be like, I don't know if to thank you, if to kiss you, hug you, or to be like, why'd you do that? It's weird. Like, why'd you touch my face? Like, I don't know what to do in that situation. Like, if you guys did that, like, it would make me feel amazing, but at the same time, it's kind of weird, you know? Like, why'd you do that? It's a trap! Like, oh my gosh, it feels freaking amazing. Oh my god, yeah. Oh, my eyelash feels good. My eyes feel good. Yeah. Okay, yeah, no, for real, it's sort of like an orgasm. It's not gonna lie. It feels freaking amazing. It just does. It really does. Like, I'm sorry, as a dude, don't do this. Dudes, don't do this at all, but I don't know. I think if I was a lesbian, I'd be like, let me help you out, girl. Like, girl to girl, let me help you out. I know this will feel better, Believe me, I got you. Alright, now that everything's gone, the moment of truth. Let's put this on. I'm excited about this. Okay, so these things have little magnets, if you can see. Right there, I give you like a good close-up of it. These little things sparkling are magnets. So you have about 5 of them. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. From end to end. They're pretty cool. And I'll show you how I'm gonna do this. Okay, I applied the eyeliner, because it's basically eyeliner. So I just applied it, the magnetic eyeliner, and now I'm gonna see how I put on the eyelash. So the moment of truth is about to unfold. I didn't get all that fancy with the eyeliner because I can totally get fancy and put the little penguin wing or whatever you want to call it. But I didn't get fancy with it because I want to see what it works like with minimum effort of mine. Minimum stroke effort. So we'll see. Alright, freaking amazing. It automatically just freaking sticks on. It's ridiculous. I'm gonna try to see if I can get a way to show you guys how I did this. I didn't put enough over here or else it would have sticked, or on the sides either. It would have sticked more. I just wanted to try it out if it even worked because I didn't really believe in this stuff. But it works amazing, dude. Like, it's amazing. And it doesn't really bother me that much. Maybe a little bit on the sides because my eyes are super sensitive. But it's really not like heavy. Like, I don't feel like something's grabbing onto me. So that's a plus for me. It's got my approval. Okay, my makeup's all runny, so whatever. I've been up for a while. And like, my face is greasy. It is what it is. So whatever. So I'm gonna do this on camera. It's probably gonna come out horrible because I can see myself, but at the same time I'm on camera, so that came out horrible. You know what, it doesn't matter. You get the point, okay? That's the point of this video, for you to get the point. As a magnet. Ah, so cool. So this is magnetic as well. So it will automatically just grab it with no problem. And you can tug on it. I don't think it really makes that much. Oh yeah, there you go. It just slides off. It just goes and just slides off. If you guys have other comments on here like, oh, don't pull it off, then I don't know, I guess go by what other experts say. As for me, I'm no expert yet on this subject, so I'm going with it. Alright, so we're gonna put this guy in. You can put it with this thing, because this thing is magnet, so it will stick on just automatically. For me, I'm a little bit of a rebel, so I'm just not gonna use that. So I'm just gonna use my fingers and just my general knowledge, and it just sticks by itself anyways. So just so FYI, I can't see anything, but I can feel more or less. So the more I feel the more mascara you put on, or the magnetic mascara that you put on, the more it sticks to your eyelid. So the easier it'll stick on. And that's it. I have it. I have it on. That's it. That's that. And look, I can go all this all day long. I can do this, whatever. Obviously, you know what? I need to put the mascara closer. And like I said, I need to put, maybe doing the wing will make it look a little better. I need to, actually, let me fill that out. Basically, it's just, I'm having so much fun, I'm not thinking about anything else. That's when I know I got the right date. If I'm thinking about something else, and I just don't, that date is just not for me. And that's just that. It's done. So I have pretty eyelashes now. I can just put like eyeliner on my eyelash too as well, and that way I'll stick to my eyelash in a natural way, so it won't look like my natural eyelash and the fake one. So and the good thing about it is not really sticking, because this doesn't stick, so it doesn't feel like it's like like cemented on there. It feels like you feel like it's sturdy there, like it's firm. It's sticked firm. So you feel the eyelash is firm on there. It doesn't feel like it's like sticked on there, like artificially, like cement glue on there. It just feels like you have something, but it doesn't really feel like an eyelash, like something's like a thorn on there, because at least that's how the glue ones feel. So these are my glue ones, and they just feel like a thorn. And these are thin. These are not those freaking thick ones that I see people wearing. Like, I don't know how you guys can wear those things. Like, that looks like it weighs like 500 pounds. I can't deal with that. That's like, in 2 seconds I would be taking that shit off, because I just can't. So even these thin one, for me, they don't do it. And these are thin. And I use like, what's it called? I use like this clear glue that I bought on Amazon. That works fantastic. It's just so annoying though. I don't like it. It's disgusting. It feels horrible. Like, it just feels like I'm torturing my freaking face. So I just don't feel it. So this is basically the ones that come with the sets. So I'm not sure if you guys want bigger ones. I'm not sure if that's available. Whatever it is, it's pretty good if you want to wear eyelashes on a daily basis, but you don't want it like feeling like a thorn in your freaking eyeballs. I would say this is the way to go. And I'm saying, like, look what I'm doing. Let's see how much it takes for me to take it off. Let's see how much resistance it actually has. So let's see if we can try to take this guy off. So I'm pulling right now. I'm tugging at it. I'm tugging at it, you guys. So I'm tugging. I'm not tugging like like I'm trying to take it off, but I'm actually tugging, you know? I'm tugging. So let's see, and they just come off. And let's see if we can just put them on back again. This is like a test, because I haven't seen people do this, so I want to see, like, I want to keep testing this out. So let's see. So let me test it out. Can I put it back on? I'm trying to feel my eyelash, because like I said, I don't have a mirror in front of me. So, and yes, I can put it back on. So I can take it off, I can put it on, and yeah. So if you have the eyelash that's annoying, you just take it off, you put it back on, you take it off, and you put it back on. And it's that simple. At least I can feel my natural eyelash with my own fingers, and I just guide it, and I just freaking put it on my face. So now let's take off both. I'm gonna take off both eyelashes. Whoa! Ooh, I feel like a freaking magician. This feels amazing. And that's it. And this is my eyeliner. I know it's a crappy eyeliner that I just put on right now. I can do the whole fancy stuff, but since I'm doing camera and I want to make it look as natural as I can, so you guys don't see it's any editing or any, like, I'm trying to advertise the brand or whatever. I'm actually trying to help you girls out, okay? That's all I'm doing. And I've actually seen videos where, like, all these chicks put all this stuff on, and then when I go home and I try this stuff, it doesn't work this exact same way. So I'm trying to be as natural as I can be, play with them, experiment on camera, so you see it's not a trick, and I'm not even getting paid for this, so so it's not a trick. It works amazing, and I would recommend these. These are really, really good. And I usually don't recommend anything that's not, like, really good. Yeah, I would ooh, but they got stuck together, so don't do that. I just did that, and probably not the smartest thing to do. One thing you do have to do is you have to make sure you clean them. So make sure you clean them after you use them, or after whatever, like, you use them for the day or whatever. Make sure you clean them, because if you don't clean them, they're just probably not going to work as good. At least that's what it says on the instructions. I have not experimented with that, Maybe I'll make another video about eyelashes altogether. This is for the ladies, this ain't for the dudes. Whoever's watching this as a dude is probably like, oh, I don't want to see this. I just want to see her chest or something. Anyways, I think like you do sometimes. Yeah, I got dirty thoughts. I'm bisexual, so yeah. Anyways, no, this is besides the fact. This is not what this video is about. My sexual life or preference. Anyways, so yeah. Magnetic. Go magnetic. Magnetic Pro. Also the things on my arms. I was cosplaying, doing a video earlier, so that's why my arms are all full of paint. So yeah, magnetic.